Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gluten-free treats with sweet Lorens Fudge Brownie cookie dough. If you're on the hunt for a delicious gluten-free option, this might just be your new favorite. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about this product. Let's kick things off with what makes sweet Lorens stand out. This isn't just any cookie dough. It's crafted with gluten-free ingredients without sacrificing taste or texture. Each bite promises that rich, fudgy brownie flavor we all crave. Now, sweet Lorens offers this in a convenient 12-ounce package, and you get 6 of these in a case. Perfect for stocking up or sharing with friends and family. Taking a closer look at the ingredients, you'll find they're committed to quality. This dough is free from artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives, which is a big plus for those seeking a more natural treat. Alright, let's talk baking. Whether you prefer gooey centers or crispy edges, sweet Lorens gives you the flexibility to bake these to your liking. Just pop them in the oven and in minutes, your kitchen will smell like a gourmet bakery. Look at these beauties. Each batch comes out irresistibly soft on the inside with that perfect crinkled top. It's the kind of cookie that's as Instagram-worthy as it is delicious. Time for the ultimate test, taste. Now, I've got to admit, I'm a bit biased towards chocolate, but these cookies hit the spot. They're indulgent without being overly sweet, which makes them a great treat for any time of day. What I love about sweet Lorens is its versatility. You can bake these for dessert, crumble them over ice cream, or even enjoy the dough raw. It's a versatile pantry staple for any sweet tooth. Now, how does sweet Lorens stack up against other gluten-free options? Well, its consistent rave reviews and popularity suggest it's a top contender. The blend of flavor, texture, and convenience really sets it apart from the competition. For those watching their diet, sweet Lorens also offers nutritional benefits. Each cookie is portioned out to help you manage your sweet cravings without going overboard on calories or sugars. So, whether you're gluten sensitive, exploring healthier options, or just love a darn good cookie, sweet Lorens Fudge Brownie cookie dough deserves a spot in your shopping cart. Check the link in the description to grab yours today and treat yourself guilt-free. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and tasty treats. Until next time, happy baking!